drove by to the acid hill.
Yeah.
So we see a range of glass. Not what it's going to play.
Yeah. So we're in the Kilauea caldera. Look, you got steaming.
We're Yellowstone.
That's what I told you this would be like. Smell the sulfur. Magma is lava. When sulfur comes out of the ground, if their lava hasn't come up, then it looks this yellow color. You don't normally see that. So it's great. It's a combination of pavement and boardwalk. Very accessible, very easy walk. That's my exit to see. You can feel that steam off of it. Thank you. This is an active volcano.
It's not erupting.
No, look straight out through there. Look this way. See the smoke of the rock.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is it?
Summit of Kilauea. Very cool.
I don't know what the cage is for. What kind of cage? I don't know.
Marmots?
They're trying to catch something. Oh, they're protecting these flowers.
This is the next overlook after Kilauea. West. This will be probably where you can maybe see lava at night. But maybe it is steaming, but I don't see any. You can maybe see the glow. That'd be about it. There's a nice hotel and restaurant at the Volcano House. That's where the like right there here is views of steam dams and stuff. So really cool.
Okay, bye.
Mark Twain, Robert Louis Stevenson, Amelia Earhart, and FDR stayed here. Mark Twain. If it wasn't so misty, do you think it's all mist or steam?
It's outstanding.
Yeah, there's a nice restaurant. Becky, walk a little faster, hon. Overlooking the volcano of Kilauea. Amazing. This is. Well, we
This is the
said
last thing we saw.
we were here. We were here when it erupted.
Is that when you're ready? Like
Yeah. Careful, Becky.
Wait,
See, this is lava.
wait. Mama,
See, this is where the lava came through.
like, was Papa a kid when he?
Yes. 1974 lava field. Lava flow. Very cool. Crater. That's a pretty darn big crater, isn't it? So another eruption would have happened here, correct? Is that what you're gathering? And yeah, it's steaming right over there. Hey, look, cool. It's steaming there and steaming on top. See it?
I do see.
That's cool.
So how long ago was this thing went off? Blowed up.
Oh no.
I wouldn't on the. There's not people in red outfits down there.
So that'd be something to see it like pouring over that hill.
I don't believe you could be here.
No, you couldn't. No, you couldn't be here. But just like, might
You'd have to see it from out there from a ship or something.
Danger right here.
Yeah, might not be cool. Very long.
Wow, look at that. Oh, I see what it is. So it was created the arch, and then it. This is the sea arch where the lava had come through. Check it out. See it? Oh, okay. Oh wow. Whoa, this is cool, huh? Oh, this is cool. Careful. I don't know how far this goes, though. I'm kind of loving it. That was great. Definitely bring a phone with like a flashlight. Hard to take pictures, of course, in there, but so cool. Definitely recommend doing the Thirst in Lava Tube hike. Very hard to get a parking space, so we have to come around a couple times, but definitely fun. Check this out, Black Sand Beach Bakery. It's made of volcanic sand. Is it hot? It's not? This is a beautiful beach. Not very great for swimming, but still super beautiful. Love it. So great. The tidal pool. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and we'll see you next time. Bye from Hawaii. Aloha. You made me whole.